In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Tutorial 2026, how to use ClickUp for beginners. We'll set up a clean space, apply a ready-made template, and finish by creating a personal task. I'll keep it simple and add tips so you avoid common beginner hiccups. First, open ClickUp in your browser and head to your workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll see Spaces, Folders, and Lists. Think of a space as the top-level home for a team or project area. Everything else lives beneath it. That's where we'll work today. Choose the space you want, then open its settings. If you don't have a space yet, create one now. Give it a clear name, and if you like, a color and icon so it's easy to spot later. Specific names like marketing or personal make navigation faster. Inside the space settings, find Browse Templates. Templates are pre-built combinations of statuses, views, and fields that save you from starting from scratch. Opening the library lets you explore options for different workflows, from sprints and content calendars to straightforward to-do systems. Use the search bar to find a template that fits your needs and select it. Preview what's included: task statuses, board or list views, and any custom fields. Pick the one that closely matches how you work. It's easier to refine a near fit than to redo a mismatch. When you're ready, choose Use Template. A setup window typically appears so you can decide where to place it and what to import. Confirm your choices, then click Use Template again to finalize. ClickUp will build the structure for you, which may take a moment. With your space ready, create a personal task inside it to test the flow. Add a short, action-focused title, set a due date, and assign it to yourself. You can attach files, add subtasks, or write a quick description. Move it through statuses to ensure the workflow feels right. That's it. You opened ClickUp, adjusted your space, browsed and applied a template, and created a personal task. As you work, tweak names, statuses, and views so the setup mirrors your process. Start small, keep it consistent, and you'll build momentum fast.